Hello children, this is T. Mahalakshmi from Trinity Academy Metric Higher Secondary School. Class 4, Term 3, Lesson 3, Transport and Communication. In the previous lesson, we saw that industries produce finished goods. Yes, these finished goods are sent to the market through different modes of transport. So children, today we are going to see the different mode of transport. Before that, I want to tell you what is meant by transport. The movement of any goods from one place to another is known as transport. I'll repeat. The movement of any goods from one place to another place is known as transport. Long ago, people went from one place to another on foot. Then they began to ride on animals' back. Gradually, men invented wheel and fixed it to the carts and carriages. It could move easily along the uneven paths. However, these were slow mode of transport. Slowly, men invented cycle, scooter, car, train, aeroplane, ship, etc. Today, there are fast modes of transport which can cover longer distance in a very less time. India has a well-developed network of transport. These vehicles can be divided into three groups, that is roadways, waterways and airways. First, we can see roadways. Our country has a large network of roads. The roads are either metalled or unmetalled. Most roads in cities and towns are metalled. They are made of stone, cement and tar. Unmetalled roads are generally found in villages. The most important roads in India are the national highways and the state highways. The national highways connect state capitals and other big cities and towns. The national highways are constructed and maintained by the central government. The state highways connect cities and towns within a state with the national highways. India's rail network is largest in Asia. Railways are the lifeline of our country. They connect all parts of India. At the time of independence, trains were run by steam engines. The first railway line was laid in 1853 between Mumbai to Thane. Trains are best means of transport for traveling long distances. Cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata are well connected by superfast trains such as Rajdhani Express and Shatabdi Express. It travels at a speed of 120 to 130 kilometers per hour. In some cities, there are metro trains. These trains move on elevated or underground tracks. Mumbai has a well-connected network of local trains. Now we can see another mode of transport, that is waterways. Water transport is the cheapest mode of transport and most suitable for transporting heavy goods. Passenger ship carry people. Cargo ship carry heavy and bulky goods. Tanker ship carry petroleum and oil. Along India's coastline, there are 13 major and nearly 200 minor ports. The Deen Dayal port, that is in Gujarat, and the Paradip port in Odisha handle a large quantity of cargo. Now we can see airways. Aeroplanes are the fastest mode of transport. Major cities and towns of India are connected by airways. Aeroplanes transport people and goods, especially perishable goods such as fresh fruits, flowers, and vegetables to far off places. Some aeroplanes also carry mail. Both government and private airlines operate in a country. Children, what is mean by perishable goods? Perishable goods means something that gets spoiled quickly. Helicopters are used in areas that are difficult to reach. They are used to drop foods and medicines and rescue people during natural disasters. Next, we are going to see the new topic, that is communication. Well, children, what is mean by communication? Yes, sending and receiving message is called communication. I repeat, sending and receiving messages is called communication. In olden days, messages were sent by tying a letter to the foot of a pigeon. Messages were also sent through runners. After that, telegrams and postal service came into use. These messages took many days or weeks to reach. But nowadays, we have new techniques for very quick communication. First, we can see about postal service. India's postal service is called India Post. Again, I repeat, India's postal service is called India Post. It is the largest postal network in the world. People go to a post office to buy stamps, inland letters, postcards, and stamped envelopes. Letters and parcels are either sent through ordinary post or through a faster service called speed post. Next, we can see telephone. We can talk to people in any part of the world over the telephone. Landline phones, however, are no longer popular. They have been replaced by mobile phones. Smartphones are all-in-one devices with which we can do many things. Fax. A written document can be sent through a fax machine. It takes only a few seconds to reach. The fax machine is connected to a telephone line. Next one is internet and email. We can sit at home, access any website and get information on any topic through the internet. Email or electronic mail sent through the internet has made communication faster and cheaper. Nowadays, many people access internet on their smartphones. They also exchange messages through apps and social networking sites. Children, social networking sites means a website that enables its users to communicate or make friends with other users using the same website. Now we can see about radio. A program on radio reaches all corners of India. It is useful even to those people who cannot read and write. The All India Radio broadcasts new and educational programs in Hindi, English, and in many regional languages. Private FM channels also broadcast programs for the people. Television. Television performs the same task as a radio, but it also shows pictures. Sitting at home, you can watch what is happening in other parts of our country and elsewhere in the world. Today, there are many television channels in India. Next is cinema. Movies are made in many languages. They educate as well as entertain. They also spread social messages. Newspapers and magazines. A large number of newspapers and magazines are published in India. These carry news and information about events from all parts of the world. Some people read e-newspapers on their tablets and smartphones. Children, now we can see a short recap of this lesson. National and state highways cover the whole country. Railways connect all parts of India. There are metro trains in some big cities. Waterways are used to transport heavy goods. There are many ports in India. Air travel is the fastest means of transport. Postal service, telephone, fax, email, radio, television, cinema, newspaper and magazine are means of communication. Children, hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.